Hello everyone, this is the YouTube channel of Chameli Dev Institute of Pharmacy. Today we will discuss about anti-cancer agents, especially medicinal chemistry of anti-metabolite and its related compound. So directly we are coming on what is anti-metabolite or what is metabolite or what is anti-metabolite. So anti-metabolite are the compound closely related in structure to a cellular precursor molecule, and these imposter substances are capable of preventing the proper use or formation of the normal cellular product. These antimetabolites are similar enough in structure in many cases to interact with the normal cellular process, but differ in manner sufficient to alter the outcome of the pathway. Most antimetabolites are effective cancer chemotherapeutic agent by interaction with the biosynthesis of nucleic acids. Therefore, several of the useful drugs used in antimetabolite therapy are purines, pyrimidines, folates, and related compounds. The antimetabolite drugs may exert effect by several individual mechanism involving enzyme inhibition at the active site, allosteric site, and related site. Most of these targets enzymes process are involved in the regulatory steps of cell division and cell growth. Often the administration drug actually a prodrug form of an antimetabolite and requires activation in vivo to yield the active inhibitor. The administration of many purines and pyrimidine antimetabolite requires the formation of the nucleoside and finally the corresponding nucleotide for antimetabolite activity. An antimetabolite and its transformation product may inhibit several different enzymes involved in tissue growth. These substances are generally cell cycle specific with the activity in S phase. The purines and pyrimidines antimetabolites are often compounds incorporate into nucleic acid and the nucleic acid polymer like DNA, RNA, etc. Some antifolates are compounds designed to interact at cofactor site for enzyme involved in the biosynthesis of nucleic acid bases. The biosynthesis of these nucleic acid bases depend heavily on the availability of folate cofactor. Hence, antimetabolite of the folate find utility as antineoplastic agents. So, in antimetabolite, the first class is purine analog, means which contain purine ring. The design of antimetabolite based on purine structure began with isosteric thiol sulfidyl group to replace the 6-hydroxyl group of hypoxanthine and guanine. One of the early drug was 6-mercaptopurine, the thiol analog of hypoxanthine. These purines are required by activation to its ribonucleotide 6-thiocinates and enzyme HGPRT. The resulting nucleotide is a potent inhibitor of an early step in basic purine biosynthesis. The conversion of 5-phosphoribosyl phosphate into 5-phosphoribosylamine. The ribose diphosphate and triphosphate of 6-mercaptopurine are active enzyme inhibitor, and the triphosphates can be incorporated into DNA and RNA to inhibit chain elongation. So, this is the structure of purine derivative. This is the drug is 6-mercaptopurine in center. Whenever we interact with HGPRT, it will generate 6-MP-MP, means 2 molecules of MP-MP. Whenever xanthine oxidase, it metabolite in thiofuric acid. Whenever we react with TP-MP, it metabolite in S-methyl-MP. So, it also inhibits the conversion of isoanic acid to adenyl cyclic acid. If you see in below the reaction, this isoanic acid is converted into adenylic acid in 2-step synthesis. These are the drugs which comes under the antimetabolites. First is allopurinol, second is Thiouric acid and Azathioprine. These allopurinol is adjuvant of chemotherapy because it prevents uric acid formation. Kidney toxicity caused by release of purines from destroy cancer. Azathioprines, tetracyclic derivative of 6-mercaptopurine. Azathioprine designed to protect it from catabolytic degradation. Not significant better anti-tumor activity than 6-mercaptopurine, used mainly as a immunosuppressant. So, azathioprine mainly used as a immunosuppressant. Next drug is 6-thioguanine. It also comes in 6-mercaptopurine because it also contain this pyrimidine ring in their structure. So whenever this 6-thioguanine is reacted with hypoxanthine guanine phosphorylase transferase, it will generate monophosphate, then diphosphate, then triphosphate, जो कि क्या होती है एक्टिव स्पीसीज, then enzyme inhibition. This thioguanine is also incorporated into DNA and RNA, and its deoxymetabolite is incorporated into DNA. Uses it, thioguanine is mainly used in acute leukemia. Adverse drug reaction is delayed bone marrow depression, thrombocytopenia. Next drug is also contained in pyrimidine derivative is Vidarabine. These are the structure of Vidarabine. What is this chemically? It is chemical is adenine arabinocytes obtained from the culture of S antibiotics, epimeric with D-ribose at second position, competitive inhibitor of DNA polymerase enzyme, also having antibacterial activity, limited use due to susceptibility to enzyme adenose deaminase, which is responsible for resistance. Inhibition of the enzyme adenose deaminase yielding increase the cellular levels of deoxyadenosine and deoxyniacin triphosphate. So it is all about Vidarabine. Next drug in 6-mercaptopurine in pyrimidine analog is Cytarabine. This is also just copy of Vidarabine. So it inhibits enzyme required for DNA repair, used to treat hairy cell leukemia. Next class is pyrimidine analog. In this class, the first drug is 5-fluorouracil. The pyrimidine derivative 5-fluorouracil was designed to block the conversion of uridine to thymidine. The normal biosynthesis of thymidine involves methylation of the fifth position of the pyrimidine ring of uridine. The replacement of hydrogen at fifth position of uracil with the fluorine result in anti-metabolite drug, leading to the formation of stable covalent tertiary compound composed of 5-fluorouracil and its cofactor. Anticancer drug targeting this enzyme should selectively inhibit the formation of DNA because thymidine is not a normal component of RNA. So this TS is responsible for reductive methylation of deoxyuridine monophosphate by 5th and 10th methylene tetrahydrofolate to yield DTMP and dihydrofolate. This dihydrofolate, which is the folic acid, is we are inhibiting this folic acid because this folic acid or folate is the main nutrition component for this cancerous cells. So if you see in this structure, this 5-fluorouracil in the presence of enzyme converted in first step in triphosphate, then it inhibits RNA. Whenever we will proceed one more step synthesis, then it converted in 5-FDMPU, again triphosphate, and it inhibits DNA. So this 5-fluorouracil act on the DNA as well as RNA. These are the cycle of total cell cycle of this 5-fluorouracil mode of action. So what is the uses of 5-fluorouracil? Basically it is used in breast cancer, colon cancer, pancreas cancer, rectum cancer and keratosis cancer. What is the adverse effect of this 5-fluorouracil? GIT hemorrhage, stomatitis, esophagitis, leukopenia and diarrhea. The next drug is in pyrimidine analog is tetrahydrofluoro derivative of 5-fluorouracil, or we can say Tegafur. What is this? Slowly get metabolized to 5-fluorouracil, active in clinical cancer, less myelosuppressive than 5-fluorouracil. Next drug is Deaminase. Deaminase is the result of fluorination of the second position of the sugar moiety. This Deaminase is the 2,2-difluorodeoxycytidine species, and after its anabolism to diphosphate and triphosphate metabolite, it inhibits ribonucleotide reductase and competes with deoxycytidine triphosphate for incorporation into DNA. What is the use of this Deaminase? It is basically used with cisplatin for locally advanced metastatic adenocarcinoma of the pancreas. What is the adverse reaction? Myelonosuppression, teratogenicity and renal toxicity. So the next drug is Cytarabine in the Pyrimidine analog. What is the Cytarabine? Cytarabine is cytosine arabinoside, is simply the arabinose sugar instead of ribose, and the only difference in the structure is the epimeric hydroxyl group at the second position of the pentose sugar. This epimeric sugar is similar enough to the natural ribose to allow arabinose C to incorporate it into DNA, and its mechanism of action may include a slowing of the DNA chain elongation reaction by a DNA polymerase or cellular insufficiencies in DNA processing or repair after incorporation in cell. The next drug is in this class is Anticancer. What is Anticancer? It is the analog of Cytarabine. Resistant to deamination by deaminase leads to better therapeutic index. Use acute granulocytic leukemia. So, what is the basic difference in this? This Cytarabine has less therapeutic index. That's why we developed this Anticancer. So next class is deaminase inhibitor, or we can say advanced anti-cancer anti-metabolite. So in this class there is two drugs, basically Pentostatin. What is this? This is Purine analog. This is the structure you can see in this. What is in this Pentostatin? This 7-membered ring structure. Second, deoxyformicin. Second drug is EHNA. Adenine moiety is modified in ribose moiety, rationally designed inhibitor for the advanced anti-cancer anti-metabolite. So this is the totally all about anti-metabolite agent which are used in anti-cancer. We have discussed various type of the classes which comes in anti-metabolites. So we will discuss remaining drug which are related with anti-cancer in part 3 anti-cancer agent in next presentation. So thank you for watching. If you want to more videos, please subscribe the channel, like and share.